Now, for the coffee lovers, they have a can of coffee here. CBD is really big in the country, so it's one of the things I really like. They have a lot of different coffee. There's something vegan. I think it's some kind of creamer or something. You just add your plant-based milk of choice. They have hot chocolate powders, hot chocolate mixes, coconut flour, tapioca flour. So see, they have everything here that you would need. Here's your teas. Now I have bought the Mandela tea. That is actually really good. It's a nice black tea. I like it. Then here's our nuts. And nuts here, I don't know. I can't remember because nuts seem expensive every country I go to. I haven't been to a place yet where they seem affordable. So like this activated cashews that's been soaked and dried, so they're raw cashews. Those are 316 rands. That's right about $20. And there's your canned goods.